Hey, I'm Angélique Binet, founder of Social Media Love, and today I'm going to show you how to get the most of your clients' testimonials. And make sure that you watch until the end because I made something special for you called a testimonial request template that you can use right away. So let's say first you could ask your clients to write a review on Facebook. Or you could send them to LinkedIn and ask them to write a recommendation. So that's the first step. Now you have your reviews, you have your recommendation, you can create an image overlay with a quote from those recommendations. Or you could screen capture actually the quotes and then put it on Instagram stories, Snapchat, Twitter, wherever you want. Now let's crank up your game. You ask your client to go live in your Facebook groups and share her or his testimonials with the rest of the community. What do you say about that? No. You could go to your Facebook page and as a guest, you could invite your customer to share their testimonials by interviewing them about the experience they had working with you. Finally, which I love, could you ask your customers to record a video actually, and then you can use it everywhere in any social media platforms. Now you know the 7 ways to use your customers' testimonials, but do you know how to ask for them? Well, no worries, I get you covered. Download right now my testimonial request templates. It's all ready for you right there. Click in the link below, and this is where you're gonna get it. And if you liked that video, make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel for the next tutorial. Ciao, ciao!